essence, my brothers and sisters, the mistake we're making is we're developing relationships on the phone. You see LOL. What does it mean, by the way? What does LOL stand for? Laugh out loud. But when you pull your glasses off, it stands for lots of love, right? Because that's all you see, LOL, and you say, oh, you know, you're gone. Because those are words. You're living with words, subhanallah. I've known of so many cases of people who've fallen in love on the phone, and in reality when they've met, they were like, oh God, is this the person? Wow, they were so cute when it was typed. Subhanallah, they knew how to fire those emojis one after the other, and I was just like, oh gosh, I've even divorced my wife or my husband in preparation for this. Never mind jackal, hyena. Allah bless us. Allah grant us ease. It's happening.